What's going on, guys? I'm in the middle here reassembling Barney's 5.7, and I've been doing a shitload of parts cleaning. Basically everything all cleaned up now. But while I was cleaning, something came to mind. And a lot of people might overlook this. Maybe not. But is your rod clean? To me, this might be the one step when someone's rebuilding their motor that might tend to leave out. Now, depending on your motor, Ford, GM, Chevy, whatever, some of them have the hollow push rods in it. Some have the solid push rods, but this is for the hollow push rods. Now, with any motor, when you're cleaning like the block, clean all the oil passages out of the way, all the coolant passages, the crank, you go through, clean all the oil passages out with that, your head, cam, etc. But when it comes to push rods, I believe there's some people might overlook these. And so anyway, in the basis of cleaning, I thought, hey, let me do a little video on this. There's different ways of cleaning them. Now, I sit there and soak these for about 2 days now in my tank because of all the gunk. And as you can see now, you know, a lot better shape. But a lot of people sit there and turn around and forget about the hole. And, you know, as much gunk is in the motor and everything, I mean, it can get down in here as well and clog up. Now with these, what I do with my tank and stuff, when I bring it through and bring it back out, I make sure it drains out through the hole. Not only that is, you can either take like a piece of welding wire, or in my case, a guitar string, and go through there and see if it's clogged up or not. And because if you don't, man, you spend all this time and money putting this motor together and you forget to do this one simple thing, I mean, this can cause you starving your top end, your rockers and everything, and you're back turning the motor in again. So anyway, I'm going to change the angle of the camera here. Now, as you can see there, I got my push rods laying out. And it's not that hard to do, guys. So like here, I've already got one. As you can see, it goes through right away. Now, all the time, it won't come out the other hole because it'll get hung up in there. But if you sit there, go through them, make sure they're all clean. See, that one's getting hung up in there. So what you do is you measure out, work through the hole again. It's going all the way through. Also, you can blow through them too once they're clean. I advise cleaning them off first, so that way you're not getting any chemicals in your mouth and stuff. But just little things like that, I mean, can make a big difference. And like I said, as gunked up as this thing was, I went through everything. I used my wire brushes. I used the little bottle brush things. I even turn around. And this is also easy to do too, guys. A simple coat hanger. And going through the blocks and everything, checking for debris and stuff. Sometimes I'll put a couple little bends in it so that way when I'm twisting it around with an L shape on the end, it's pulling all that debris back up. And then I also turn around and blow it out. I rinse it out. I blow it out there again, make sure everything is cleared out. I'll shoot some fluid through it and then press it with the air, make sure it's shooting back out. So that way there's no clogs, man. I mean, because if you're going this far into a motor, You know, make sure everything's clean. You know, it's even like the new cam, like that came with this kit. Right off the bat, I checked it, make sure there was nothing in it, no machine shavings or anything like that. You know, because like I said, babe, you don't want to waste out some bearings. You don't want to lock your motor up because it's not get old again. But just a couple little tips, man. I mean, they're easy to do. You don't have to sit there and go out and go spend a lot of money on it. You can make the stuff here at the house, you know. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all. And hopefully, you know, y'all got something a little bit out of it. If not, carry on what you're doing. I'm going to carry what I'm doing. Try to get this motor done. Like I said before, I'm going to try to have it in this weekend. So right now I'm trying to get it all put together. Once it's put together, I'll do another video on that. And then we'll do a video on putting it in the vehicle and firing it up. So other than that, guys, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you down the road.